Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I don't always want to have to make a card from scratch. It's fun to make a card using this Anna Griffin Simply Congratulations card making kit. It comes with everything I need to make cards. It comes with the envelopes, the card bases, the layers, decorations. There's even ribbon in there. And there are sentiments as well as foam pads so that I can put the cards together. So I can still be really creative without having to pull out all of my supplies and cut all of my dies and think about all of the different papers I'm going to need. I have all of the ingredients I need to make a beautiful card. And this set is congratulations. It is so fun to use this Anna Griffin Simply Card Making Kit. It's so extensive. It has everything I need to make some cards. I can do it quickly and easily. It's great to take on the go if I want to take it when I'm traveling, to have a little something fun to do while I'm away from home. And that's my point of view.